Thank you for choosing the Royal National Orthopaedic Hospital to have your hip or knee joint replacement operation. At Stanmore, we have a long and successful history of carrying out joint replacement operations going back many decades. We're proud to have one of the lowest infection rates in the country. A successful outcome starts with really good preparation. Throughout this video, members of your healthcare team will explain important aspects of your joint replacement journey. This will help you to understand what to expect at various points along the pathway and what you can do to help us to ensure that you're prepared for surgery and have a smooth discharge home within a few days of successful surgery. You will find more information in our patient guide, on our website, and patient information booklets. Thank you for taking the time to watch this important video. If you have any questions now or at any time, if you have concerns or want to give feedback, we really want to hear about them. And please contact us at the following address:
rnoh.jru.cns@nhs.net.